Okay, so next what I'm going to talk about is we just discussed arbitrary argument, right? Now what if I want to also make sure that uh, I pass arbitrary argument and I want to find out that what data type it is. There must be a way to find out that whether it is an integer, whether it is a string, or whether it is a list, and then appropriately I might want to take some action, right? So let's take a quick example and see how we can do that. So this example we have already seen, right? So one way is I will say I'll go inside here and I will say type of maybe type of arg, right? Yes, and I will go ahead and display this print and fine. Now on displaying this value, it will give me a type, right, of that it is integer, right, integer, right? Now but programmatically also I should be able to know whether it is this type or that type, and then I should be able to take corresponding action, right? So if I say print of, there is a method called instance of. In the first argument we pass arg, right, comma, this is, let's say, in type. So it returns a boolean. Let's say I take bool equal to this, right, and then I will say bool equal to comma of bool if true, right? So uh, now uh, depending upon whether the data type which I am passing is integer or whether it is a string, it will either give me as a true or a false, right? And then I can choose to do whatever action I want to perform, right? So let's say I don't call this function, I'll just call I'll comment this, I'll comment this as well, and for the time being I'm just going to call with one integer and one string maybe, right? Yes, because since I have passed arbitrary argument, there must be a way for me to figure out what data type I have actually passed, right? So let's go ahead and run this. So you will see it shows true for this and false for the other one, right? So this is a way to figure out if it's an arbitrary argument that you are working on. Fine, can you please try this program?